This is the weather forecast video for Monday, May the 9th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a complex of showers and thunderstorms over the eastern Dakotas moving into Minnesota. This produced some severe weather over South Dakota, with the storm system off to our west. Watch morning map. From just past 1 in the morning, you can see a few severe thunderstorm warnings, those blue dots in northeastern South Dakota, some winter weather issues in Montana, and wind advisories. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather for the eastern part of Iowa into extreme southwest Wisconsin and into Illinois, and another risk northwest of the state. Let's take a look at some parameters. This is from the 0Z NAM at 1 a.m. Tuesday morning, so that would take into effect that day one outlook. You can see the significant tornado parameter fairly maxed out. The supercell composite index here is not as high, in the middle range. Now we look at the significant severe parameter. You can see it's close to maxed out over parts of the northern and central counties of the state. So any storms that will be developing Monday night into Tuesday morning could be severe. Now let's look. Here's one of the WRF models from the University of Illinois. This is an average of many of them. You can see capes will likely be in the 3,000 to 4,000 joules per kilogram at 1 a.m. Tuesday. This is the same time, 1 a.m. Tuesday morning, of the capping layer, or the convective inhibition, or the CIN. You can see there's a better capping to the west of the state, but not over the east. Now let's take a look. Here's the QPF chart. Rainfall over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see the rainfall amounts continue to increase, with several days of rain over the state, up to 2 inches of rain possible over the state. So let's take a look at it. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System. 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see there's that trough to the west of the state, southwesterly flow aloft. Down at the surface, a low pressure forming over the Nebraska, Colorado, Kansas border area, northwest of Goodland, Kansas. There could be some showers and thunderstorms in the morning hours at that time. We head off into Tuesday afternoon. That low is now moved up to about Aberdeen, South Dakota, with a trailing cold front and dry line that could set off some showers and thunderstorms. But most of the action will be over the northern counties. Wednesday, here comes the cold front with another low. The first low moves into about Winnipeg. The second low is north of Amarillo, Texas. In between that, some showers and thunderstorms along the front. Thursday, the second low that was over Texas is now moved up to about La Crosse, Wisconsin. So some showers and thunderstorms will be possible over the state again on Thursday. We head off into Friday, back in the upper levels. You can see there's that upper trough. We'll be seeing this for the next couple of days as we move along, with another big trough over the Pacific Northwest. At the surface, that low is now up into Wisconsin and beginning to become stacked with the upper level feature. Still some rain possible on the back side of that storm system. We are up to Saturday. Model still shows some precipitation. This will likely be isolated. Not everybody will see precipitation on Saturday, and the chances will be very slight. Sunday, it still shows that there could be some precipitation around, with the upper level feature just nearby, so possibly some more shower chances on Sunday. We head off to a week from today, Monday the 16th. That upper level feature is still close by, but it looks like the precipitation is now going to be to the east of the state. We'll just be with some clear skies. We move into Voodoo Country. Here's Wednesday the 18th. That trough is still to the east, but it's beginning to lift out, with a ridge moving in from the west and another trough over the northwestern part of the country. Down at the surface, rainy over the east, rainy over the west, and in the middle, nice, clear, sunny skies and warming temperatures. And we head to the end of the forecast period on May the 24th. Trough over the east, ridge over the center part of the country, and a trough over the northwest. So that could mean some stormy conditions, as you can see here at the surface. That could mean some stormy conditions, possibly maybe some severe weather, and some warm temperatures at this time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.